fucking shit!
Alrighty then.
I want my fucking power station. Fuck. Fuck your shit. Fucking stab you right in the tits. There you go. Who the fuck shit me? Fuck. What the fuck? I'll let me move about. Whoa. Well, that's me fucking dead anyways. Oh shit. Okay, that's me gone. You piece of bleh. Fuck off, hostile missile inbound. Mate, don't fucking shoot me, no!
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can probably tell, we've got some slight turbulence. That is because we just entered a war zone.
No! Get fucking back in! What the fuck? What the fuck? You cunt! You cunt! What the hell, man?
Fatality.
Oh fucking shit, I didn't even realise he was there. It's alright, oh no, bed. Well fucking done. I'm gonna get my revenge on this wee guy in the boat. Thinks he's mental, huh? Don't fucking think so, pal. Don't fucking think so. Wait for it. Now. There you go. Dead as a fucking dodo. Are you kidding me on? He's not dead. Seriously? Right, take two. He's gonna die. I'm not. Seriously? Oh, for fuck's sake. God damn it. Jump. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm actually jumping. I just died. Guys, I'm a professional. I know what I'm doing. Fight me. So close. Come on. Yes, there we go. Who the fuck shoot me now, man? I'll fight you. Aye, that's right. I'm done, man. I'm done. I'm just fucking done. Hey, watch this. Watch right there. What the fuck?